What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Second Chance Overland, and I am still in St. George, Utah, at least for the time being. I am hitting the dirt finally. So I am out in the middle of the desert with Brit from American Adventure Lab. Whole lot of dust in front of me, and that's him and his 392. I'm in our 392, and we are heading to the Grand Canyon. So check it out. Hope you like the video. As we left St. George, Utah, there was only a few miles of pavement before we hit the dirt. But as we hit the dirt, the incredibly dry conditions led to incredibly dusty conditions on the trail. I don't think I've ever seen dust hang in the air quite like this. I'm a ways behind you, and it's still like you can't see through it at all. It's funny.
Yeah, I can see that in the mirror. Hopefully we get some wind as we get a little further in.
Okay, thanks.
Truck and a cattle trailer. I can't see crap when he passes either.
Holy crap.
There's a good silty section right there.
Holy crap, I can see that a mile away.
Watch behind you when you go through that. It just like roars up under the tires. Wow, it's really bad through here. This is the schoolhouse up here on the right, so I'll pull into that.
On our way to the Grand Canyon, we stopped at the Mount Trumbull Schoolhouse. So you've been here a couple of times.
We have, yeah. Yeah, it's always cool to come back in and just see how they've sort of preserved everything around the area inside the building. So pretty neat. Everybody seems to be really respectful on the inside and takes care of it. Pretty cool too.
Yeah, this is nice. The original schoolhouse burned down on July 31st, 2000, but was rebuilt in 2000 and 2001 to preserve the legacy of this historic monument.
Oh man. The wonder world of science. So, let's see. 1960.
Wow.
Imagine how much the wonder world of science has changed in 70 years. Yeah. That's pretty cool. You know, you kind of lose sight of how big this area is if you see something like this.
Oh yeah.
When this is the Grand Canyon, you know, how much bigger everything is.
Right. It's amazing. As we got back on the trail, the dusk continued, but would eventually open up to reveal some spectacular views. A day-use pass or camping pass is required to proceed past this point to the rim of the Grand Canyon. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Huge thank you to Brit and everybody at American Adventure Lab. It has been an awesome trip coming out, seeing the place, getting to do the install on all the stuff we ordered for the 392, and top it off, getting to go wheeling out to the north rim of the Grand Canyon. If you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, remember to hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot of good content coming here. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.